today's video, we will focus on the journey log. Journey log is used to complete post-flight data. After selecting a specific flight, this section is accessible on the flight panel on the right side, under the Flight Watch and Journey Log tab. This section is divided into two parts: the mandatory and optional fields. In the mandatory part, we have to provide information like dates, airports, flight times, which can be entered manually or copied from the Flight Watch section, as well as some fuel data and information about the maximum flight level. This data is used for the cosmic radiation report, which is also generated in Leon. To save the journey log, all data in the mandatory part must be filled. Completing the mandatory part affects the color of the dot in the Flight Watch and Journey Log column in the table view. An orange dot indicates partial completion of the journey log, while a green dot indicates all data is complete. In the optional part, you can enter information such as the flying pilot, the number of landings, the type of approach made, and more. The crew also has the option to add documents to the journey log by clicking the Upload Files button or dragging them in the web version, or directly from the Leon Crew app. If the journey log is inserted by mistake, for example, for the future flight, it is possible to delete it. To delete the journey log, you need to click on the three-dot icon located in the top right corner of the Journey Log tab. There are three options available. Clear changes, which clears data inserted in journey log before it is saved. This option is useful when incorrect data has been inserted in the journey log and has to be cleared. Cancel journey log, which cancels saved journey log. Canceling the journey log will clear the data, as well as display the flight in the calendar view as cancelled. Delete journey log, which allows deleting it. This option is useful when the journey log is inserted by mistake. Deleting the journey log clears mistakenly inserted data, as well as keeps the flight active. It is also possible to download all files that were attached to the journey log. Additionally, in the admin view in the journey log section, it is possible to define two main settings: which fields will be available in the journey log, and if they should be added as mandatory or optional fields. To do this, simply mark the checkbox next to the appropriate item. You can also specify whether the selected field will be visible to all aircraft or only to selected registrations. In this section, you can also define additional settings such as the density of Jet A1 and avgas fuel, and specify how long Leon should retain files added to the journey log by crew members. It is also possible to generate custom reports for some specific data from journey log. We're able to do this by using Report Wizard and selecting different scopes from the list.